Have you ever wondered what a fairy tale looks like in real life? Picture this: a dreamy sunrise in the Swiss Alps. The first golden rays of sun spill through a gentle mist, illuminating meadows so green they seem to glow. Tiny dewdrops cling to every blade of grass, sparkling like a million tiny diamonds. In the distance, snow-capped mountains stand tall, their perfect reflections mirrored in a crystal-clear turquoise lake. A charming wooden cabin, complete with red shutters, sits nestled on a hill, a wisp of smoke curling from its chimney. All around, wildflowers in vibrant shades of lavender, pink and yellow sway in the soft morning breeze, while a small wooden bridge arches over a babbling stream. This isn't just a view, it's a flinger moment of pure, breathtaking magic. This is the serene, storybook beauty of Switzerland. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical journeys.